from? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Forever Patra Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey! And if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. And on this channel, we talk about plus size fashion, sneakers, and luxury lifestyle. Because luxury is what you make it. Okay? And that's on period. This is new, what I'm about to say. I have been, this is new what we're going to start doing. I have been neglecting my luxury content. Y'all know I always say luxury is what you make it. So whatever you decide to put your money into, from you working hard, or if you're a scammer, that too, that is luxury to you. So I feel like my sneaker luxury is luxury. But some people feel like, why would you spend $200 on sneakers when you can have you can have lace fronts, wig down, bust down middle parts? That's not luxury to me. So, and not saying that it's not luxury, it's not luxury to me. What I like and what you like are different. So the third week of the month will be our luxury item or items. So I may do a haul. I may just talk about one specific thing. It may be a service. It may be a feeling, an emotion. It may be peace. Okay? We're going to talk about things that I feel are luxury. To start this series off right, I got something special for you. I said at the beginning of 2022, I would start slowly but surely adding more Black-owned brands of bags to my purse and bag collection. Okay, I'm really big on Coach and Michael Kors, and I know other people are like, why would you? I love Coach and Michael Kors. And I love BB. I love Juicy Couture. I love Vera Bradley. I like their luggage more. And then I like what is the other one? I can't think of the name. I have a bag in there. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's a pink bag with the black handles. Can't think of the name. I'll put it across the screen so you guys can know what I'm talking about. I have been wanting to upgrade my collection. Slowly but surely. I bought my first Black-owned luxury bag. I know. And I'm going to throw this out there. It is not Telfar. Okay? However, I still want me a Telfar bag because I want to see, not what the hype is about, but I want to see what it's about. I've learned it's about 50, if not more, bags. Okay? Now, I purchased one of these bags that I have been wanting for a while. I also purchased a color that, how can I say this? I purchased a color that I didn't have. And that's another thing. Like, I won't just be like, oh, I got 17,000 Telfar bags. I'm just using Telfar for an example. There's another type of bag that I'm probably be my next bag. It's called Valenci. If we do not follow, I'll put her information in the description. This is not a sponsored video either. Okay. So, okay, y'all see me unbox the first time. Y'all see me cut the box open. I did because I wanted to give y'all a real deal reaction. Okay, nicely boxed. Got the paper. Okay. Ooh. Is that the dust bag? Ooh, so it came in a Ziploc bag. Okay. Y'all, sorry. This is the CISE brand. And I think I'm spelling it right. Saying it right. CISE. So it came, it's like they put the dust bag, the purse in a dust bag, and then the dust bag in a bag. Listen. Let's get into it. Okay. They gonna make sure it's secure. The bag is secure. Okay, y'all. Y'all already gotta see. Y'all already gotta see. Okay. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. So we can already tell it says protect Black women. So y'all already know what's in this bag. Now, here's the thing. I got this size because I was kind of scared that the smaller bag was going to be too little for the things I like to carry in my purse. what I like to carry in my purse is my BB wallet. It's my fave. I have about 3 or 4 wallets that I swap between. But my BB wallet, my Coach chain wristlet that I use for chain or lip gloss and a nail clipper, my keys, and then my cell phone for the most part. I was scared that the smaller one, it wasn't going to be big enough. So, which is why I purchased this one, because the smaller one and the bigger one were only about a $10 or $20 difference. So, might as well pay the extra $20, right? Oh, y'all, so not only did it come in a dust bag, not only did it come in a dust bag, it came wrapped, baby. Bag secured. Bag secured. Period. Okay, y'all, let's get this open. Ooh-wee. Come on, little mama. Show me what you got, little mama. Period. So they have the CISE tag here on it. Y'all, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. And it says, protect Black women. And I have been wanting one of these bags for a long time. What are some things that I haven't reviewed? The bag. 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 Period. So let's get into the bag. Ooh. This is what we have on the inside. Here we got cardboard to kind of hold it together. We also have 2 handles. And then we have it so we can wear it as a crossbody. And thinking about it, I could put my laptop in this. It's very sturdy. It's very sturdy. And I really like that. And I really like this. Can y'all see that? Where it says CISE right here, CISE. I really like that. I like the way it looks. Like, I like that it's not like a label with some type of cursive stitching. Not saying that doesn't work, but what I am saying is I like that. Oh, it's a card in the inside. Do you open it or you just, oh no, it says return exchange policy, contact us, product quality and care. So it teaches you how to take care of your bag, because you got to protect Black women and protect your bag. The next, it says, thank you for shopping with CISE and welcome to the CISE fam. Your support means the world to us and we cannot wait to see how you style it. The website and the mobile application. Open your smartphone camera and scan our QR codes for more information. Very simple, easy. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's get this out. Just a roll of bubble wrap. It does. Now, I like that they have this cardboard in it to keep it held up. So when you first open it, it doesn't just kind of collapse on you. So this is the inside of the bag without all of the stuff in it that it was packed with. It does snap. Here you have the hooks for the crossbody cord. So we have one here and one here. If you guys can see that, I'm hoping y'all can see that. Y'all, this bag is so bomb. Here's the thing. I thought it was going to be so much bigger than this. I'm actually glad that it's not, because this is a very cute going to the office bag. Traveling, if you're going on a plane. Like, I could put my laptop, my iPad, the cords, all in here. Plus my wallet and things like that. All in here. And so, this is the crossbody string. It has the gold ends to it. I'm not going to unravel it because you see the crossbody. The leather is impeccable. Shout out to whoever the manufacturer is, because the leather is impeccable. Definitely love it. Yeah, shout out to CISE for creating this bag. They had Protect Black Families. I think, did they have families? They had Protect Black Kids. I definitely feel like possibly the smaller version will do me well. So I was looking at the metallic gold one and a red one. So I'm going to have to definitely check back to see if they have those available. But you guys, go out and protect. That's right. Go out and protect Black women, but also go out and check out this brand. I'll have the information, the link to this particular bag below and to the website. I'm definitely excited to style this. Now, I probably should have styled it before so I could show you how to style it. But this bag, honestly, you should be able to wear it with anything. This is a real cute bag. This is really cute. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. So if you haven't been here before, or you do not know about bags like this, and you're looking forward to the third Thursday in November, this is the place to be for all of your luxury favorites. Okay? Now, I am Forever Patron Denise, and y'all be sweet.